Hey guys, this is Wade here with efficiencytrader.com. Wanted to walk you through Robinhood, the mobile trading app for stocks. They've recently added or are adding cryptocurrency and options as well. So I'll just take a couple minutes to walk you guys through this app and hopefully answer some of your questions. If you're new to trading, I want to give you guys a quick disclosure. I'm not ever going to give you any trading advice. We're here for educational purposes only. That way we're legally covered, but we do want to educate you and get all your questions answered. So with Robinhood, I'll walk you through what the app looks like, how to use it, and hopefully have some fun along the way. So here, if you jump to the home screen of Robinhood, it's going to take you to something that looks like this. So personally, I started this account with $300. So if you scroll over to the right and click on all, it's going to show how much I've gained all time. So my bank account, it hasn't given me a 42% ROI in the last year or so. So stocks, it can be risky, but again, if you're doing it the right way, you're going to have consistent gains, and we'll kind of walk you through some of that. But as far as the app, here's what it looks like. You can scroll through the year, the month, the 3 month, the 1 week, and the 1 day of your account, how you're doing. And then just below there, you're going to see the latest news. If you've subscribed to news alerts, anything like that, it's going to be up here at the top. So that's very helpful as far as a trader. You're going to have everything you need right there. If you continue to scroll down, you're going to see what stocks you currently own. So here's a couple that I've owned. If you click on the right-hand side here where it has the negative and positive percentages, that's going to just be able to change and show what your account value is with the equity, what the last price of the stock was, and again, rotating back through to the percent change. If you scroll down from there, if you've added stocks to your watch list, they're going to come up here. Again, you can see the percentage change for Apple on the day. They're down slightly. Tesla's up slightly. Let's go ahead and click on the top right here, the little magnifying glass, the search bar indicator. What I'm going to do is type in a ticker symbol. I'm doing LOPE, so that's going to pop up Grand Canyon University Education. At the top here, you're going to be able to see the name of the company. The ticker symbol is always going to be on top, then the name of the company, and then the last price that they've been quoted at. On the top right, it says watching. I'm already following this one, so if we click that off, this is what it's going to look like if you're just coming to the app for the first time and want to add something to your watch list. You'll click watch, and then it'll say you're watching it. So down towards the bottom, we're going to have the same thing, just like our home screen showing our portfolio value. This is going to show the stock, their 5-year average, all the information on what they've traded at the 1 year, the 3 month, 1 month. It's really simple to see. And again, this is a mobile trading app, so everything you can do here is just one hand on the phone and go through it. So if you click in the middle of the screen, you're going to have this bar come up where you can scroll through the last price on the last couple dates here. So pretty easy action. I'm not actually going to buy anything here, but if you were to buy, you'd click the green bar in the middle there and then simply type in how many shares you want to buy of the stock. So it's very secure. It's not going to let you accidentally buy shares that you don't have enough money for. So if I tried to review this trade, it's going to say not enough funds in my account. So this is a market order. We'll do some more education on efficiencytrader.com with what a market order is and when to use one. But if you click on the top right, we've got expanded order options. So a market order, that's going to be your instant execution, executing the trade at the current price. Limit order, we'll walk through those as well. Same with the stop loss and stop limit order. But just to show you guys what Robinhood offers currently, and I'm guessing that's where they're going to add their stock options. So if you want to write some puts or call options, that will be in that area too. So I'm going to close out that trade. Here's what's cool when we're back on the LOPE home screen. Scrolling down, this is going to have all the analysis information for whatever stock you're on here. So As far as technical analysis, they're not too heavy into that, but they will give you some of these fundamental analysis information. So some websites or brokers, you're going to have to jump all over their website to find all this information that I'm showing here just on this screen. Or you're going to have to do a Google search. So Robinhood makes that very simple. You got your open price, your highs, your lows, and then volume, which is another key indicator here. And then your earning reports, very cool. That way you can see, hey, the next earning report's projected, all that. If you scroll down to the very bottom, it's going to have about. So if you're looking into a company that you don't know what they actually do, they're going to show you information about them. Let's jump over to Tesla really quick and show you one more feature. So here with Tesla, same stuff at the top. Scroll down. If there's a recent news story, Tesla's in the news quite often. So if you're making trades and want to see what news is related to that company, they're going to have all of that right here on this screen showing you everything as well. So I'm going to jump back here to our home screen. We're going to click on the silhouette of a person here, this little round circle and a half. It's going to show you your account value. So my full portfolio, that's all my cash and my stocks in there. I'm disclosing this to you guys for this account. Buying power is simply how much cash you have on file on your account. So, hey, I could go buy that much worth of stocks. So I'm going to jump down to the next thing here where it says Robinhood Gold. Before we get there, Robinhood's known for their zero fee structure. So if I'm going to execute a buy order, it's going to cost me $0 in fees. As far as TD Ameritrade or other brokers out there, they're charging at least $5 per trade. Some might be $3.95. So if you're buying a stock, say Lope, it was about $90. With the fees, any other website, that's going to be about $95 to buy it. And then if I was going to sell it, they'll tack on another $5 fee to sell. Robinhood gets rid of those fees. You have zero fees for buying and selling. So typically that's saving me personally at least $10 per full execution. So I'm jumping on to Robinhood Gold. So I mentioned zero fees for all their trades right now. If you wanted to use leverage or a margin account, that's what Robinhood Gold is. If you're not familiar with that, I definitely suggest researching that before you open one. But basically what that lets you do is it extends your buying power. So basically you're borrowing twice as much money as you have in your account from Robinhood, and they're actually going to lend you some money so you can buy bigger amounts of stocks or stocks that you can't currently afford with your account. So swiping through here, it's going to talk about the monthly subscription. There is a monthly fee for this. It gives you extended hours trading. So here in Colorado, depending on what time of the year it is, stock market closes about 3 o'clock. But this will let you trade until about 5 o'clock, depending on the time changes. So extended hours, you'll be able to trade later and trade earlier, so that's a benefit for some folks. And then instant access to your funds. Currently, if you're just on the regular Robinhood account, you have to wait 3 days to get your money after you sell a stock, which is totally fine, but some people like to get to that a little bit quicker. It'll also talk about day trading rules. If you don't have $25,000 in your account, you can't make more than 3 buy and sell orders in a week. So basically, if you're looking to do day trading, Robinhood's probably not for you. But if you're looking to get into just investing in general, this is a great app. Plus, you can make up to 3 day trades a week. So, might as well save at least $30 on that just in fees. So free stocks, I'll talk a little bit about this. Basically, you can copy and paste the link below and invite your friends. If your friends sign up, you get a stock and they get a stock. So that's a cool thing. You've got a 1 in 50 chance of getting a stock such as Facebook, Apple, or Microsoft, some of those big Fortune 500 companies. 1 in 100 chance to get something like Ford, Snapchat, or AMD. But either way, you have a 100% chance of getting a free stock for each of your friends or family that joins by using your link. I'm going to skip the account because I've got some personal info on there. But banking, I'll kind of talk about that really quick. Here's where you add your bank account to your Robinhood account, so you're able to fund your account and actually start buying and selling stocks. So transfer to Robinhood, you'll be able to transfer money over, and then transfer to your bank. That's going to be a withdrawal. So if you've got money or buying power in your account, that's how you transfer it to your bank account. Automatic deposits, it's very similar to Acorns. If you've used the app Acorns, basically Acorns, if you're making a purchase, they're going to round up to the nearest whole dollar and then transfer that money into your account. So say I made a purchase on my credit card for $4.70, they're going to transfer 30 cents, make that around $5 to my account. So 30 cents will be deposited to Robinhood. Then automatic deposits, same thing. If you want money, say, hey, I want $5, just transfer to my account each month. That way I don't have to worry about going through the hassle of click and transfer every single month. You can have automatic deposits going straight to fund your Robinhood account. Linked accounts, that's going to be your bank accounts and other stock accounts. Stock transfer, here's what's really cool, guys. If you have TD Ameritrade and you want to get away from those fees and you already have stocks in that account, you can transfer it over to Robinhood and start trading with the stocks that you already own with no fees at that point. History, I'll briefly scroll down to some of this. Right now I've got a couple pending limit orders. So basically a limit order is saying, hey, I've owned this stock, I want to sell it at a certain price, but I'm not going to just keep checking my phone until I get to that price. As soon as this stock hits the price, it's automatically going to sell. So those are my pending orders. You could have some pending buy orders, same thing, but that's where you see that in the history. Recents is going to show any of your buys and sells for the year, and then any dividends. So you can see I've got a couple dividends in there. And then here, Siri from Robinhood, that's going to be somebody signed up using my link. I was able to get Siri, so $5 straight to my account. Typically, my bank doesn't give me any compensation if I refer a friend or a family to use my bank. However, Robinhood does. Zynga, if you guys have played Candy Crush, that's their company. Somebody signed up, so I got a Zynga stock. Obviously, that thing's going to be right there making me money. Otherwise, settings, you can jump in there and change your settings. They've got authentication, encryption, very secure mobile app. Help, if we click on that, you're going to be able to go to the help center, contact support. They're going to actually give you resources for option trading, and then obviously their terms and services. So if this video has been helpful for you guys, feel free to share it on social media. Jump in on our conversation. We like to give a lot of free education out there. If you're on Facebook, it's the Trader Games. I'll have a link for that below. I'll also have a link to our website, efficiencytrader.com, where we'll have more educational and trading resources, help you guys out with topics like Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, stocks, options, and Forex. But my name's Wade. Hopefully this has been helpful. I'll have a link for you guys as well to get your first free stock. For watching this video, sign up, start an account, and you'll start an account with a stock in it. So that's a really cool way to get ahead of the game. All right, guys, have a good one.